Sup guys, what's up guys, what's up, sup? I hope you're doing good. Today I'm going to do broke days buffet. Broke days and tough times never last, but last by mistake. Anyway, I don't remember what that thing says. Today I'm going to go to Oasis O2 or any place where they sell water, ne? And I'm gonna buy 25 liter. I have 50 liters of water. I need 50 liters of water. So I went straight to my pockets and I realized that uraf. And then I remembered, okay, actually I have a money box and I'm going to check the money box out and count the cents up until they reach enough money, 50 rand. I think if it's 1 rand per liter, it means I'm gonna need 50 rand. So if the money can calculate well and then it reaches that point, I'm gonna buy with it. So let's see which shop will disagree counting 10 cents. Let's go. Yay! Yeah, and that's all. Now I'm gonna have to count until it reaches a certain amount. I'm gonna put it in here. So, money in the bank. From here, I'm not really gonna sit and count all of it. We'll count it there, the shop. Count it there at the shop. The bank, money's in the bank. Now let us go and purchase this thing and let's see how it goes. I'm not gonna stop this vlog until I get what I want. Where am I? So this two things has to be, have to come back with water. Got everything I need. Let us go. So we decided that we're gonna come to Choppies. It was the closest shop we could find, and then we're gonna go buy water. What is percentage? Babalaisha ubala. Naga baitho, le di khutsheba ska di bona. Ba ka tabare. Ba mutimeng le rao. Let's go. What's why we did there? Riachela pilo, irrival argument. Mascara riachelo. Riachela pilo, irrival argument. Mascara or riachelo. Riachela Street. Give it to go to Patela. If I thought you fell, you will go straight. Evula kubala. Evula kubala blind. So, very bonnet tell you got another problem. Robadi Shay fitted. Is it this one? Apparently, guys, they changed the rates. Ish, that time we have calculated cents. Look, they've changed the rates. Now they lost us. Guys. It's tough. Let's see. We ended up no. So now we're gonna only one. So yeah, guys, apparently Choppies passed. Choppies passed the test. We did pay and we did come back with some little bit of change. Yeah, they ended up taking it, but we only had one challenge whereby the money, they increased the tariffs. We thought that it's 1 rand per liter, so here it's 120. So our calculations were extremely wrong because they said 120, but all in all, we got what we wanted. We managed to put 125 liter, and yeah, it's better than nothing.